Hi, I'm Kamala Whitaker, and I wanted to demonstrate the Yi framework. It's the chosen framework for my project. You can get it from yiframework.com, YIIframework.com. The download is super tiny, so only takes less than a second to grab. Once you have the file, you want to go ahead and move it into your web root for, in my case, it's MAMP. So that would be applications, MAMP, htdocs, and then specifically I created a subdirectory called BDF project to keep files for our project separated. And Mac OS is nice that if you just double click on a tar.gz, it will appropriately open the file for you. I like to rename the directory to Yi root instead of all the numbers, dashes, and dots. It's simply a convenience thing. So I like to call it Yi root. And then you can toss the tar.gz file. You don't need it any longer. Once installed, well, this is basically installed, but what they recommend from this point is to create a demo web app. And in order to do that, what they actually have you do is run this console-based application to create the application, to create the web app. To create your web app using the YIIC, you need to bring up a terminal window, and you'll want to change directory to the location of where YIIC is located. Well, you want to change directory to where you'll want to put the demo web application. So in this case, I'm going to put it inside my BDF project, which is inside the MAMP, the htdocs, etc. So you can see that I have index and I have the YII root. So this is the location of this YIIC application, and then specifically I'm making a web app, and I'm going to call it demo. And then it asks me, am I sure, do I want to do this? And I type yes, and so then it generates all the appropriate files. And if I close this, I now have a new folder called demo, and you can see that it generates the file structure that you'll actually want to use. In fact, what's nice is what you can do is simply rename this folder to your own application at this point. And we can see what this looks like by browsing to this location. And then /demo. And here is what this demo application looks like. It pre-programs navigation. It pre-programs an example form, including CAPTCHA. And it pre-programs login user management. So, for example, I can log in using demo, and now I'm logged in. So it's a pretty slick little framework, and as you can see, it takes mere minutes to install and start working with it. And I look forward to working further with this application. If you have any questions, send me an email, and have a good one. Thanks.